As you can see, this concealed vertical cable device has a factory adjustment which leaves the bottom latch extended somewhat, and we're looking to get full retraction for maximum security and the least chance of the bolt ever dragging the floor. So let's walk through the adjustment procedure as it's done today. I already have my cables connected. The first thing I have to do is loosen the locking nut. Once I have the locking nut loose, the barrel adjuster should be loose enough that I might be able to turn it by hand. Yeah, I can just get a grip on it. And we'll rotate it counterclockwise a few turns. Checking the bottom latch, which is out of the frame, but it looks correct now, so let's tighten that up. Once the locking nut starts to touch the end fitting, you can see that they'll both start to rotate together, which is going to mess up our adjustment. So at this point we switch hands and we do the final tightening, snugging up the locking nut on the end fitting itself. Now we're good and tight. And with any luck, the bottom latch should now be adjusted. Looks good. Alright. So now that you've seen the process for doing a standard CVC latch adjustment, let's walk through some improvements that we're making. This is the new CVC quick adjuster, soon to be released, and it greatly simplifies the process of making that bottom latch bolt adjustment. So let's go through how that's done. To make this adjustment, you just slide the sleeve back. You can see it's a spring-loaded sleeve. And then you, with your other hand, rotate the barrel adjuster until the bottom latch is where it needs to be. Snap it back into place. Check our adjustment, as always. No lock nuts, no wrenches. Adjustment is good. Latch is secure. And we're done.